Hello everyone, this is Sonali here. So today we will be discussing synonyms and antonyms. You all are very well aware about antonyms and synonyms as we have done them in our previous classes also, but still a recap is required. So let's have a brief introduction of synonyms and antonyms. So what is antonym? A word of opposite meaning. The definition of antonym is an antonym is a word that has the opposite meaning of another word. Those words which are opposite are called antonyms. For example, see the word always. Always means forever. And the antonym of always will be never. Okay. Next is possible. The antonym of possible would be impossible. That can't be happen. Then day. The opposite of day would be night. Easy, difficult. Okay. So these words you can see are completely opposite in the meaning of these words. So these are the antonyms. Those words which are opposite in meaning are called antonyms. Now what are synonyms? Synonyms, a word of the same meaning. Synonyms are those words which are same in meaning but they are not exactly the same. So the definition of synonym would be synonyms are words which are similar in meaning but not exactly the same. For example, see the word fast. Fast means rapid, which runs very fast. Okay, and the synonym of fast would be swift. So the word swift also carry the same meaning as fast. Yell. Yell means cheekna, means scream, and it also means the synonym of yell would be shout. Okay, shout and yell both have the same meaning. Tasty, delicious, complete, finish. So these words are having the same meaning as these words have. Okay. Now see here I have two examples with same words that for which we have antonym as well as synonym. For example, see the word big. The antonym of big will be small, but synonym for word big is large. Synonyms are the same words and antonyms are the opposite words. So big means bada, large means also bada. Big, bada, large, small, chota. So this is the antonym of this word and this is the synonym of this word. Same way, hot, the antonym of hot will be cold. Hot, garam, cold, thanda. And synonym is warm. Hot, garam, warm also means garam. Okay, so I hope you got the difference between antonyms and synonyms. So the topics that we had learned, synonyms and antonyms, are given in your English grammar book on chapter number 38 and 39. And even bookwork is also given here. Okay, so this is the homework for you. Do the bookwork of both the chapters yourself. Okay, beta? Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.